Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. So from our Shopify dashboard, we need to go and add in the Facebook Instagram sales channel, and that is going to let us set up our pixel. From the search bar at the top here, I'm just going to search for Facebook, and it is developed by Meta directly. And from there, I am going to click install. I am going to go down to that Get Started button. And it is going to ask us to set up our ads on Facebook and Instagram by connecting our account. So first, I'm going to click Connect Account. It is telling me I have previously logged in, so I'm going to hit Continue as me. So I have now connected my Facebook account. It is going to ask us for our data sharing preferences. I'm just going to click Enhance and then click Save. Next is going to ask us to connect a pixel. If you don't have a pixel setup, I would just create a new one here. But for me, because I have an existing pixel, I'm just going to click Connect. Lastly, I just want to agree to the product catalog and then I can submit for review. And once you hit the Submit for Review button, it is going to install the Meta or Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. And that's it. That is how you connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.